Hello, hello, lovely people. Welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Flavor. Now, yeah, we're not in the kitchen, but I wasn't going to do a video, but I decided to go ahead and make a video, a real short video to show you what I have been doing. Now, I have, oh gosh, I'm sorry, I'm holding the phone. So, I have seen a lot of YouTube videos on remedies for your hair, to make your hair grow, make it healthy, blah, blah, blah. Now, I found that there was a lot of talk about using rosemary and cloves. And I thought, well, I'm going to give it a try. You can do it in a tea form and then just spray it on your hair. But I wanted to do an oil form. So I went ahead and picked some rosemary from my garden, like you see here, about a half a handful of cloves. I don't know if you can see it. And then I went ahead and just added grapeseed oil. And I set this outside on my porch where the sun could hit it. And I did this for roughly about a week. And then this morning I decided to apply it using a dropper, like the droppers that they sell for medicine and whatnot. I just used the dropper and I just started putting it in my hair and allowing it to just sit. I massaged it really well. And then once I did that, I was supposed to put a cap on, but I did not because I was working in my garage decluttering. So I really spent the entire day with that solution on my hair. I went ahead and I washed it. Normally I have to put conditioner. I did not put conditioner in my hair. I just shampooed it twice, rinsed it, and my last rinse with cold water. And then I blow dried it. Now, look at my hair. I don't know if you can see that very well, but you guys, it is so soft and so shiny. I mean, look at that. Look. And all I did was blow dry it with a very little effort, I might add. And normally in the past, when I blow dry my hair, I always have to put some serum of some sort. And I don't know what that little yellow light is on here. Anyway, some serum of some sort to kind of give it a little bit of shine. I did not have to do that this time. I didn't put any conditioner after I wash it, and I did not put any serum. I just actually blow dry. Normally you see a lot of little frizzy sticking up. That did not happen. I am so tickled with this that I am going to be doing this. I don't know how to look so that you can see me. I don't even know if I'm looking the right way or what. It's probably going to come out all crazy because I keep looking at the phone. But in any case, that's not important. What's important is what I'm sharing with you. Another point that I wanted to make, your biggest organ is your skin. That is the biggest organ that we have in our bodies. And it's been said that people that have problems with memory, that have a difficult time with that, and I am one of those people. You will probably notice if you've seen some of my videos that sometimes I'm lost for words and I can't recall what a simple onion is called. So I don't like rosemary because it's so incredibly strong. So I decided, well, why don't I just put it in my scalp? And if I put it in my scalp and I let it sit, it is bound for my body to absorb some of the nutrients. Now, if you do the rosemary and sage, those two herbs are incredibly good for memory. So that's just a tip, an added tip, aside from, of course, you see my hair. Look at that. I mean, you guys, I'm going to be doing this at least once a week, if not every 2 weeks. I wish that I would have thought of making this video this morning so you could have seen what my hair actually looked like. But trust me when I tell you, if you're letting your hair grow out gray, the texture of your hair will change. It doesn't stay like when you had it, you know, regular. But anyway, for lack of a better word. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful, and I hope you give this a try. Bye.